Is that her dad giving her away?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, Cameron.
Sure.
Yeah. She's at the end of the aisle. Oh, wow. Yoo-hoo. Oh, man. Oh my gosh, that's awesome, man. Cameron, just get you to pause with Dad for a moment, just one second together. Friends and family, I want to welcome you all here on behalf of the bride and groom. Thank you for your love and participation in the ceremony today. And who gives this woman to be married to this man?
I do.
Thank you, sir. You all may be seated. Thank you. And you can join Madison here now, Green. Thank you, Dad. Yeah, that's good. So come, make sure you get in the center. Hey, Madison, it's a gorgeous afternoon. Wow, beautiful. Well, we're gathered here today in the sight of God and in the presence of this company to join together this man and this woman in holy matrimony. God said it's not good that a man should be alone. I'll make for him a companion, and they two shall be as one. The relationship of a husband and wife is the union of two souls, the blending of two hearts that beat as one. Cameron and Madison, you're about to make vows of lasting responsibility. Person of your choice is now to become your lifelong partner and your closest friend. May you always look to one another for love, for comfort and strength. Cameron, having a full understanding of the privileges and obligations of this marriage, will you take this woman to be your wife, to live together in holy matrimony? Will you love, honor, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep yourself only for her, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Thank you. Madison, having a full understanding of the privileges and obligations of this marriage, will you take this man to be your husband, to live together in holy matrimony? Will you love, honor, and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep yourself only for him, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Thanks, Madison. If you'd like to hold hands, Madison, together. Very good, very good. And I want you to repeat after me, Cameron, to Madison, okay? I, Cameron.
I, Cameron.
Take you, Madison.
Take you, Madison.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
For better or worse.
For better or for worse.
Richer or poor.
Richer or poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I promise to love you.
I promise to love you.
And honor you.
And honor you.
All the days of my life. Amen. Thanks, Madison. You did good. And Madison, if you'd repeat after me. I, Madison, take you, Cameron, to be my wedded husband. To love and to cherish. For better or worse. Richer or poor. In sickness and in health. I promise to love you. And honor you all the days of my life. Thanks, man.
From the first time we met, I knew deep down inside that this girl right here is the one for me. Since the first time I laid my eyes on you, I knew you were the most beautiful person I had ever seen, and thought to myself, there is no way I have a shot. I got my shot, and I am beyond blessed that I took it, because I have never met someone so real. You tell it how it is, and you're so classy, and I'm beyond blessed to have you as my life partner. Also, with you being the amazing mother you are to my favorite little buddy Easton, I cannot wait to have another baby added to the family. With that being said, I also know that Easton will be the best big brother that another sibling could ask for. I promise to keep thriving, to be the best husband that I can be to you, and the best role model and father figure to Easton, and more to come. From ups and downs to laughs and cries, from hardship to prosperity, and in sickness and in health, I promise to always be there for you all. And to always rub your feet when needed for however long you want or need me to. The good Lord led us together, and He will be with us always to watch over us and guide us along the way. Till death do us part, into our marriage getting stronger and stronger each and every day. Here's to us, baby girl, my forever dream girl.
Cameron, I know I've said this a million times, but I can never find another one like you. Not only am I gaining a life partner and a best friend, but an amazing stepdad to us. We are becoming a family, and it's more perfect than I could have ever imagined. I promise to be your best friend, your listening ear, your shoulder to cry on, and your rock through good times and bad. I thank God every day that I get to marry my best friend. We love you more than words, and I can't wait for our forever.
It's good. Thanks, Madison. If we could exchange rings. Cameron and Madison, you've selected these rings as a token of your marriage covenant. The ring is an emblem of eternity, an endless circle, a symbol of endurance. The rings represent the bond of love between a husband and wife. Let these rings be a seal of your mutual love and affection. Cameron, if you'd like to take Madison's rings, place them on her left hand, fourth finger. Cameron, and repeat after me. With this ring, I thee wed. I share my heart. All I possess. With you. The name of the Father. The Son. And the Holy Spirit. Madison, left hand. Fourth finger. Repeat after me, please, Madison. With this ring, I thee wed. I share my heart. And all I possess. With you. The name of the Father. The Son. And the Holy Spirit. Thank you, guys. Cameron and Madison are also taking part in what we call the Unity Sand Ceremony. You've committed here today to share the rest of your lives with each other. May your love be as constant as the never-ending waves that flow endlessly from the depths of the sea. Literally your background today. You made it. A beautiful afternoon, a beautiful beach wedding. Eh? As the two containers of sand are poured into a third container, the individual containers of sand will no longer exist, but will be joined together as one. Just as those grains of sand can never be separated and poured again into individual containers.
Look how good it looks.
Isn't that beautiful?
Cool.
Isn't that beautiful? Look. That's a unique design there, and the back of it's different again. Two individual lives becoming one, forming two beautiful pattern. So, they should be sand engineers. That's really cool. Right? I like that. You guys, handsome. Hey, come here. Here. Give me a hug. Here we go. We're good? All right. Okay, I'm going to come back here now. Okay.
All right, come on.
Cameron and Madison, I encourage you both, as you seek true happiness in your marriage, be faithful to the vows you've made to each other today before God. Having heard you make these vows of affection one to another, I do, by the authority conferred upon me by God and the Lord of the state of Florida, pronounce you husband and wife. Cameron, you may kiss your bride. Woo! Come on. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Allow me to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Cameron and Madison Smiley. So stand up, come on. Stand up, give them a big welcome. Woo!
Congrats, guys.
Yeah! Congratulations, Dad. Good job. Beautiful, beautiful couple. Thank you, darling.